Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unpairing the AirPods Pro 2 from an iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You do this from the Settings app of your iPhone, so open the Settings and tap Bluetooth. Tap the eye to the right of your AirPods name in the list of connected devices. Scroll to the bottom of the AirPods settings and tap Forget this device. Tap Forget device again. Tap Forget device a third time. Your AirPods are now disconnected and unpaired from your iPhone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple AirPod tips and tricks.